Morning, happy Saturday. Having some bacon. Going for now. I'll show you the next step once I get in. Okay, so my main ingredients always to use is going to be salt. Obviously my garlic powder or granulated garlic. And one more, which is black pepper. And see it? That's the way I like it. Now we're just gonna let it cook a little bit. The bacon is on the bottom, so it's getting more color, okay? Okay, first flip after I've added the potato, salt, garlic, and black pepper. See the bacon? Now tell me if that's not bueno. Look at that. Color and all, on point. Okay, so to this you see that I'm adding onion. It's a half an onion, some salt, and 2 jalapeños. You can omit any chili if you like, or any onion if you have babies. Mine are grown, so that's it. And we're done. Smell-o-vision is not allowed. That's how it looks. And we're gonna do an egg over here. So, And there we have it. A nice bacon and potato spicy with a juicy egg on top. Mira que delicia. Tell me you don't want it. Yes, I'm using a paper plate because I got things to do today. Happy Saturday, everybody.